Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now. Make sure the TV and your source device are on the same Wi-Fi network and close background apps for a clean stream. On the TV, open the screen mirroring or input menu and enable the receiver mode. This makes the TV discoverable. On your phone or computer, open the system casting option. On Windows, look for Connect. On Android, use Smart View, and on iPhone, use AirPlay. Once done, you'll be ready to scan and pair. You now initiate the connection. Open the Cast or AirPlay menu on your device and wait for available receivers to populate. This can take a few seconds. Choose the TV model name that matches the set in the TV's network info. Selecting the wrong one wastes time. If the TV shows a pairing code, enter it on your phone or PC and accept any permission prompts on the TV. Once paired, the device duplicates or extends your screen. Confirm resolution and orientation in display settings if needed. Finish by checking audio routing and display scaling so text and video look correct on the TV. Make small tweaks in the source device's display settings. If the stream stutters or drops, restart the TV, router, and source device. Rebooting clears temporary network conflicts. Make sure firmware and OS updates are installed, and move devices closer to the router to reduce interference. If wireless still fails, connect via HDMI for a reliable, low-latency link that solves most persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.